So, hi all, I'm Guru. I'm back to you people. Guys, a couple of questions I got from the students and I got from a couple of people. They were going through my recorded video, YouTube. And I came to know that they wanted to know the exact difference between smoke and sanity testing. See, first of all, we need to understand what exactly the smoke means and the sanity means. Okay. See, I would like to explain you what exactly this smoke first. Smoke testing means what? Understand clearly. I'm going to explain now. Okay, there is a development team. They will develop the code and they will integrate the module and they will make one particular build. Means every source code has been checked into the repository and the build engineer he will take the source code from the repository and he will make a particular build. He will integrate all the modules top to down or bottom to up approach. He will make it done with the architectural design document with the help of that. Once the build is done, he will inform to the manager stating that okay, my build is completed and you can talk to the people. So QA people, what he will do, he will look into the build or a tester or a development lead or a manager. What they will do, they will write a summary about that particular build. What is this build? What is the login credential of this particular build? And what are the features? What are the functions they added in this build? And how many functions they have implemented on this build? And what is the login credentials? What is the database connectivity? Every information they will write as a summary in the build. We call it as release notes. Release notes contains the information about the build. Build means it is a URL, uniform resource locator, what we call it as. That URL, they will be, it is in the WordPad and they will write the contents and the summary of that particular build and they will inform to the test manager stating that, boss, build is ready and it has been installed in your test server. Please go ahead and do the testing. Okay. So your manager will get that release notes first. What he will do, he will look into the release notes and he will tell and he will send out an email stating that guys, go ahead and start doing or testing on this particular build. This is the iteration one build. And before going ahead, do the smoke testing. Do the smoke testing to check whether this build is eligible to go further or not. Smoke testing in the sense, being a tester, what I will do, I will also got a release notes from my manager. I will go through the release notes and I will do the smoke testing. What I'm going to do, I will copy the URL and I will paste it in the browser and I will do the build verification. Means whether build is downloading or not. If it has been downloaded, is it allowing me to log in inside or not? Okay. Unless and until it allows me to log in inside, I could not able to do with my test cases. So this is what I call it as a smoke testing. Smoke testing, professionally, we call it as initial level of build verification. Means we wanted to verify the build first, whether the build is correct build or not, whether it is build is working or not. Then we will go ahead further. That is, we call it as the build verification. Smoke testing in the sense, initial level of build verification, I call it as smoke testing. Means, for example, if I give you some analysis with a real life. Okay, I have my mobile, I forgot in my home. And oh, I remembered, oh, I forgot my mobile in my home. What should I do? I will walk and I will go back to my home and there is a lock. I need to open the lock, then only I can get the mobile. If lock itself is not opening, how should I get my how should I get my mobile back? No, right? Obviously, your functional test cases are with you. Unless and until you log into the application, you could not able to execute all the functional test cases. It is a pending. URL itself is not, URL itself is giving you the server error. How you will log in? In that situation, if URL itself is not working, it has given the server error or page cannot be displayed at that time, straightforward, you will write an email. Being a tester, I will write an email stating that smoke testing got failed and build is not working properly and we will request a new build from the development. So you will inform your manager, test manager, and they will communicate to the development team, okay, build is not working. Can we are requesting new build. That is, we call it as smoke testing. Initial verification of the build, I call it as smoke testing, guys. Trust me. Initial level verification of the build, we call it as smoke testing. Then what about the sanity testing? Sanity testing in the sense, if there is a application, if there is an enhancements come to that application, enhancement in the sense change request. They want a change request over there. Okay, this module adds some more functionality. There will be a code changes. If they wanted to do the development, right? There are functionality got added to the your existing application, existing module. There will be a changes in the code. That code changes will impact the functionality. To do that, to check the functionality should not get impact with that code changes for an enhancement, we call it as sanity testing. Means sanity testing is a part of regression testing. Guys, resemble remember over here, I mean to say you are with me, you are understanding my concept. Sanity testing is a part of regression testing. I mean to say, if there is any code changes for an enhanced application, for enhanced requirement, we wanted to do sanity testing. Sanity testing make sure that the code changes will not impact the new addition functionalities. It should not impact. Bug fixing may also impact. Bug fixing may also impact the functionality. For that, we are doing regression testing. Remember, sanity testing is a part of regression testing. Sanity testing will concentrate on the enhancement part of the application. If there are any requirement got changed, code will get changed. They wanted so for one module, a requirement got changed. It has been communicated to the developer. He will modify the code. He will add the code. Something he will modify to enhance to accommodate the new enhancement to the existing module. Then to check for a tester is going to check the code changes could not impact the new functionality. To do that, we are going to do the sanity kind of testing. Guys, this is the difference between these two. Okay. Guys, if you are really interested, work with me. Really working on the project, it will give you lot of confidence rather than the listening. Listening will give you imagination power. Oh, it might be like this, it might be like this. But if you work on the project, right, definitely you will get a lot of confidence. What is enhancement? How enhancement will be accommodated in the test cases, how you are modifying the test cases, how requirement will get updated. How do you know when you are going to update the test cases? How do you know when you are going to delete the existing test cases? All depends on the enhancement from the customer point of view. Okay, guys, like this and subscribe this video. There are plenty of people, they might be looking for such kind of videos to learn themselves. There might be a plenty of people who were looking for the easy way of testing. Please subscribe and like this video so that it will help others also. It will help you also because there is a series of YouTubes which I am releasing. You can go through one by one, one by one. You will understand beautiful sessions I have given, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet you once again. Again, I'm coming with a new ideas on the testing, new enhancement, how the process goes. I will come up with a new ideas and how to clear the interview. What are the interview expectations they have from you? Everything will be released on YouTube. Please go through that and subscribe and like this video. Let us see, like others people can be waiting for such kind of things who are eager to understand, eager to join such kind of things, and it will help for you people also. Thank you. Thanks a lot, guys. See you again tomorrow. Thank you very much for listening my YouTube. Thank you. Thanks. Good.